Welcome everyone. Got Stratos today, one of the original Masters of the Universe. They eventually flip-flopped his wings to blue. Mine had a blue jetpack and red wings, and they flip-flopped that to blue wings and a red jetpack for some reason. I thought they both looked cool. This was the guy who really got me interested in the Masters of the Universe, just because Birdman, he can fly. That's cool. Used to have wrist straps on his wings as well that would hold them in place. I've long since lost those, as well as the jetpack. Something I just found out about as I was researching for this video was he had what appears to be some form of... Whoop. Get to focus on him, on his hand here. He's trying to. There's a sort of brass knuckle situation going on there on his hand. I say it's just, and they said that's sort of unique to him. They said they used Beastman's body for him, but he was, his wings keep coming off, or that one does. This one's stuck where it's not hardly moving. But and got of course got pretty good shape. Got some wear and tear on him. Like I say, he was one of my favorites. I played with him a whole lot. I do need to replace his hips. They're pretty loosey-goosey there. Still got the power punch action, so that's cool. I say, without the jetpack, there are no real details on the back except, fur. I guess for him, feathers. But yeah, like I say, he was one of my favorites. He was one of the ones that really got me interested in He-Man when I was a kid, and so I'm glad to have him. Gonna put him on display with everybody else. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure to subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.